Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adil from grade 7A. My school is Success International School, and today I will talk about my project for the grammar subject. My topic is parts of speech. So let's go. Parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adverb. Number 5, adjective. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. Number 8, interjection. Noun. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Proper nouns refer to the individual name of a person, place, or thing. Here you can see an example of nouns for the person, place, thing, animal, and idea. First, I will talk about the person. For the person names, like Maria, Ali, and John. Second thing, I will talk about place, like park, school, and Asia. Third thing, table, pen, and book. Number 4, animal, cat, goat, and lion. Number 5, idea, love, fear, and power. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Here is an example for pronouns. Pronouns are words that replaces nouns. For example, I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, and etc. What is the difference between noun and pronoun? Noun. A noun is a word that is used to name a person, thing, or place. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun. Verb. A verb is the action or state of being in a sentence. Verbs can be expressed in different tenses depending on when the action is being performed. Example: Jennifer walked to the store. Here we can see in the picture, a verb is a word that shows action. For example, the baby sleeps. Sleeps is a verb. A man eats a burger. Eats is a verb. Adverb. Adverbs are a very broad collection of words that may describe how, where, or when an action took place. They may also express the viewpoint of the speaker about the action, the intensity of an adjective or another adverb, or several other functions. For example, he swims well. He ran quickly. She spoke softly. James called loudly to attract her attention. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Nouns are words that name a place, a person, a thing, or an idea. An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes within. It is a part of speech. Often the adjective is before the noun it describes. For example, adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, beautiful flower, big house. This is our adjectives. What is the difference between adjective and adverb? Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, while adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. Adverbs generally come after nouns, while adjectives come before nouns. Adverbs generally answer the question how, when, where, what, and why, while adjectives generally answer questions like which, what, kind of, and how many. Preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Some examples of prepositions are words like in, at, on, of, and to. Prepositional phrases. For example, at home, at university, at college, at school, at the traffic lights. And another example, in the house, in the helicopter, in a traffic jam, in bed, in a building. For example, on the corner, on a plane, on a motorbike, on the way, on the roof, on a wall, and so on. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentence, but, and, yet, or, because, nor, although, since, unless, while, where, etc. Examples: she bought a shirt and a book. You can write your paper with a pen or a pencil. Example of conjunctions: because, when, so, then, and, but. Interjection. An interjection is a word, phrase, or sentence that expresses emotion, meaning, or feeling. These emotion words process punctuation mark, which are most often but not always exclamation points. For example, rats. My research paper is late. For example, interjections: yay, yuck, wow, like this. Hey, hello. This is all called interjection. Now, this is the end for my project. Thank you for watching, and assalamu alaikum.